Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. In contrast to chaotic nature of kitchen in the never-ending maintenance demand of living rooms, the dining room boasts a perfect interior design balance in our houses. For this reason, we like more simple, modern dining room design ideas while seeing a more glossy, put together representation of your home is delightful from the moment you walk through the mudroom. That's not only what dining rooms are for, they are designed to be used to host family gatherings, host dinner parties with friends, and often socialize with neighbors. Dining rooms is deal for an aesthetically pleasing and motivational setting. This nook is not just an extra room, but an extension of your main living space or a distinct section of your home. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. The best part is that modernizing the dining room doesn't have to necessitate a massive revamp. So regardless of the current setup, we have includes 20 of our favorite modern dining room design ideas to help you give your home fresh coat of paint and continue hosting dinner parties all year long. Considered one of the essential modern dining room design ideas, simplicity has always been a hallmark of contemporary design. Consider a furniture and wall with straight clean line. If you want a modern dining room, the cabinet in the back and are also good example. Choose storage with simple lines, no knobs and no decorations. No knobs and no decorations. Even the rugs beneath the table, which have a unique shape. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and share my video with your family and friend. Also subscribe my video. Thank you.